This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Cool. Adorable beach cottage ready for you to enjoy or design and build. Fresh paint, new flooring upstairs and recent LVP installed downstairs.Incredible opportunity to design and build your own beach home. This property is in an ideal location. It is in the heart of Chic's Beach, popular to locals for proximity to area restaurants, breweries, and live music. This lot sits at the end of a quiet street and has a high dune elevation in the back. Home is in good condition and has been used as a rental for several years. Live in or rent while you plan your perfect home. Sale as is. July 11, 2025. For more information, review the details below.